Ubisoft. A spaceship with rabbit-like ears zooms past. On board, Mario stares at a screen.
We are now approaching our destination.
Rabbid Peach sneaks up on Mario and takes a selfie with him. Her eyes widen, looking at the screen. Outlines of Luma and Rabbid appear. Their DNA coding is scanned, revealing the two as a match. Mario looks down at the console. A yellow star-like figure floats and sprouts ears. It turns around with a goofy Rabbid smile. Stardust twinkles around as Rabbid Luma steals Rabbid Peach's phone. She gives chase as an alarm goes off. Luigi and Peach join Mario at a center hub.
Vast energy anomaly detected.
An orbital display of planets appears as a hologram. Everyone steps back, staring up in awe. With a toothy grin, Mario's spark hovers in the air, chasing holograms of other sparks. It does a playful twirl, then waves at the other sparks. A large hand reaches out of nowhere. Mario's spark dodges it, but the hand sucks the life out of the hologram sparks. Mario's spark hides behind Luigi as a dark figure reaches down toward them. Mario's expression becomes serious. He turns to Luigi and they nod to each other. Their ship plummets from a cloudy sky. Rabbid Peach runs over and grabs her pink blaster. She attaches her phone to it. Mario retrieves dual-handed blasters. Mario's spark makes a tough face. The ship lands. Mario and Rabbid Peach stand back to back. A red and yellow Rabbid Luma fight at their sides. In the corner of the ship, they see Rabbid Rosalina reading a book with a stitched toy Luma. Mario waves for her to join. She blows out air, then tosses her book. Rabbid Rosalina slumps out of her chair, tired. The yellow Luma trails behind Mario as he heads for the door. Rabbid Peach and Rabbid Rosalina follow with their own Rabbid Lumas. Outside, leaves float past a row of trees. Luigi and Peach stay with the ship as the Rabbid princesses venture off with Mario. Mario stops suddenly, then turns and looks up. From the sky, a large enemy sticks a landing on the spaceship. Rabbids dressed in blue cloaks approach from behind with bob-ombs. Rabbid Peach's spark warns Rabbid Peach. She turns to see zombie-like Rabbids approaching. The large enemy on top of the ship looks down and laughs as the enemies surround the heroes. The smaller enemies make fists next to the bob-ombs. Rosalina looks up above the spaceship. The dark figure from before towers above all, sprawling out purple tentacle-like streamers. A white star clings to the neck below its spiraled face. Forming into a line, the heroes wield bows, blasters, and Rabbid Rosalina's Luma toy slingshot. They charge forward. Words appear. Mario Rabbids, Sparks of Hope.